Bye, baby. Good morning. We're going shopping today for spooky stuff. Ooh. But first, I'm gonna go to the gym because I have a session with a personal trainer today at Gold's Gym. I just joined it. It's pretty cool. Like, they have the machines from TikTok. We're going shopping! Spooky shopping for my boo, for my boo. I'm sorry. Okay, we're currently in a mall. Which mall? No idea. But I want to go to 5 and Below first. Target. And I don't really know from there. I don't know where 5 and Below and Target is at. So we're kind of just wandering around. But yeah. Camera's big as heck because I changed the lens. So it's hard to hide it. Ooh. I'm very much lost, but I found the pretzels. Not the one I went though. This looks better. I'm too shy to have my hand up this high. I'll talk to you later. Ooh, t-shirts. Should I get him a spooky shirt? At the very least, I'll get me a spooky shirt. Did I get him anything? Not yet. I was gonna put like confetti in it, but low key, that might be annoying to clean. So, maybe spiderweb? One is glow in the dark, I guess. I don't want the spiders. I'm gonna gag. I'm gonna get the $1 one, even though I hate spiders. I like the ones with the buttons. Yeah. I know what I get it, what you need. I know what you like. I feel it coming. Johnny got the gas. Oh, jeez. What the heck? That was so loud. So for here, I want to see if there's better pajamas. Because I did order some on Amazon, but I didn't really like them. And they were $60. Zero jammies inside. Thank you. So I'm here for canvas, basket, and plastic wrap. Although plastic wrap I could low-key get from Walmart. It's just a matter of if it's cheaper on here. If I was a canvas, what would I be? Mixed to paint. I'm not sure what kind of paint I'd get, but paint. Also, I want something to seal it. I do have Mod Podge. I didn't even tell you what I'm doing. I'm doing a body canvas, like you seen on TikTok, where you definitely gonna paint it all black, but he said he wanted it red. Also tricked him. I was like black or red or black and blue, something like that. He said black and red. And I think I'm also gonna need white so I can like do highlights. This acrylic paint says Craft Smart. How smart are you, Mr. Craft? I'm sorry. Why did I not know how expensive these things were? We might get a poster board. This is a lot of money. I can lie, it's like a few days since I've last recorded, but it doesn't matter. We're gonna pack the boo basket together. Y'all think we're close enough for me to wear a bonnet and show my messy room? Taking that as a yes. I went to the Japanese store and I went crazy. This isn't boo basket related, but I want to show you guys. So I got these chips. They're tapioca balls, takoyaki balls. Jesus, they're good. The ones I had in Japan were better. I don't remember what they're called, but there was like a little turtle on here and the bag was yellow. I got these taco chips. I don't know what it was. The squid was cute, so I was like, I'm gonna get it. I'm gonna get it. They have ice cream Kit Kat. And I got these corn chips, hot and spicy. Then I got these, I don't even know what they are, turtle chips. It looks like a Nutella ball type of vibe, and it's churro flavored. Not gonna lie, I bought a bunch more chips, but I kind of ate it in like the 2-3 days I've been gone, so I was in heaven. And you know, the store clerk had the nerve to be like, you really like snacks, huh? Yeah, but like, you know, it is funny because on the shelf for the ball chips, there was 3, and I was gonna take the whole thing, and I was like, nah, I don't want to look like I'm ODing, so I only took 2. So I got this fat ass Bucky from Michael's. I got this wrap that I think I'm gonna wrap everything in. I also got these like ball things. It's like, you know those hands that you get in party bags and they stick? Yeah, I got him this because I know he's a kid and he'll love it. Watch. I also got these socks off Amazon. Look, aren't they so cute? They have little eyeballs and they hold hands. Ah, He's in love with Rod Wave, so I got him this nostalgia hoodie. He told me about it like he wanted it. I didn't tell him I got it, but I got it. I also got him stuff when I went to Japan. I gotta make that video. It probably won't be out before this, but I'll edit it, okay? But I got him these keychains because I call him Kitty, and like they're matching, and they also stick together. So like he can have one and I can have one, you know? I also got him these Kit Kat from Japan. It's strawberry cheesecake flavored because he says like his favorite dessert is cheesecake that his mom makes. I don't think it'll taste the same, but I was like, you know, he likes cheesecake, and I've never seen it. But when I was in the airport and I was telling the lady about all the stuff that I bought, she was like, oh, we have that in the States. I didn't know that. I also got him this really cool jacket. I don't know if it'll fit him because it's in Asian sizes, and Asians tend to be smaller than Americans. If anything, if he can't fit it, I'm going to wear it. I promise you. Look at the back. Look at the back. Do you see the back? Bro, look how fire this is. Oh my god. Yo. There was also a purple one in the store, but I got him this one because I figured it matches his fitted that he has. For those who don't know, what fitted is basically a hat. Not gonna lie, I don't think this will fit on. And this is like a XXL. This is not gonna fit him because it fits me baggy. And my baby's strong. Oh my god, this coat is fire. If it can't fit him, I'm dead gonna take it. What you gonna do? I also just got him a bunch of random stuff from Walmart. Got him a badass jug of honey because he's in love with honey. Got him this I got him these Jujutsu Kaisen socks because he's in love with it. Like, I think that's one of his favorite animes. And I don't know, I saw it and I thought it was cool. Got him a new bonnet because he calls us the Bonettes because we have the same type of bonnet, but his is looking a little old. So I got him this. I got him a lighter because one, he always uses them, and two, because I got him candles for a warm, cozy scent, vanilla. I personally love it. And I got him a more upbeat, right in the room scent, juicy watermelon. This smells like watermelon Jolly Ranchers. I also got him this waterproof blanket. It is a pet blanket, but it's waterproof for sleepovers. I also got his matching PJs. I got this cute shirt. It says, I got your back. I got it from Walmart. And the pants don't really match, but I kind of like it. So I'm going to put it in there anyways. It's Simpsons pants. See? I got like this spider web thing that I think I'm just going to throw in the basket. Still not entirely sure. This journal too. I don't like the way it looks, but I do like the way it feels. And I think it'll do the job. But he's trying to manage his feelings better. And I think journaling would really help. So I got him a journal. Yeah, you can type it, but honestly I feel like writing is more like, yeah, you get it. I know you do. Okay, now I think that's everything that I got for him. It's not for him, but look, I got this cute little keychain from Five and Below. This is like a scrunchy one, but it goes over like and then this is like a since we're talking about it, I also got these shirts from For the Gym. I got this one. It is really oversized. I got a size large, but that's because I kind of want to swim in my clothes. I also had a Simpsons one where it was like Bart and Lisa, and I think they were like skulls or something. My mom took that one. She literally sat on the step, opened all my bags, looked through it, like, what you got? What you bought me? Nothing. So she said, oh, you got me this shirt. No, I didn't, but I'll let her have it. Okay, now just to assemble everything. Go on my TikTok for that. I'll show you guys the final product, but I'm not going to record that here. Okay, bye.